Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about 3 lakh rupees crore credit for MSMEs announced by Government of India. Government of India announced funding of up to 3 lakh rupees crore for MSMEs. And the Union Cabinet approved the same on the 20th of May 2020. Credit will be given at a concessional rate of 9.25% through the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme (ECLGS) to help the micro, small and medium enterprises (MSMEs) sector to recover the impact of the coronavirus pandemic. In this video we are going to discuss all the details about this Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme (ECLGS). We will try to clear all your doubts and your questions. Question 1: Is my business coming under MSME? Or not? Our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a change in the definition of MSMEs. As per revised definition, any firm having investment up to 1 crore rupees and turnover under 5 crore rupees will be classified as micro. A company having investment up to 10 crore rupees and turnover up to 50 crore rupees will be classified as small. A firm with investment up to 20 crore rupees and turnover under 100 crore rupees will be classified as medium. The MSME sector is playing critical role in the economy and in employment providing. By providing an additional credit limit at low cost, the government tries to give some instant relief to the sector so that they can meet the operational expenses and restart their businesses. So you're doing any business, if you come one of the above criteria, then you are MSME sector. Question 2: What is the starting and end date of the scheme? The scheme would be applicable from the date of announcement of the GECL scheme to October 31, 2020, or till an amount of 3 lakh rupees crore is sanctioned under the GECL, whichever is earlier. Question 3: Is there any collateral security required? There is no collateral security requirement. National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company Limited (NCGTC) will provide 100% guarantee coverage for the borrowers under the scheme. Question 4: What will be the interest rate for the loan under this scheme? MSMEs will get guaranteed emergency credit at interest rates of up to 9.25% from banks under this scheme. Interest rates on collateral-free loans for extended loans to MSMEs by non-banking financial companies (NBFCs) have been reduced by 12%. Question 5: Who is eligible for the loan under the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme (ECLGS)? All MSMEs with an annual turnover of up to 100 crore rupees and having outstanding credit of up to 25 crore rupees as on February 29, 2020 would be eligible under the scheme. Question 6: How much loan credit limit will be given? MSMEs can avail up to 20% of their outstanding credit for working capital or additional term loans. Question 7: What is the moratorium period on principal and repayment time under this scheme? The loans will have a moratorium of a year on the principal amount. Loan must be repaid by the borrower in 4 years thereafter.